All that.
Oh, shit. This is bigger than
Real.
Yo.
Real.
I can't reel it. It's harder than my...
Reel that motherfucker.
Yo, this is harder. Yo, son, this is a whale. Yo, it's bring it in. Bring him I'm trying to. Shut up and it's all gone. Shut up and yo, that bitch is... I'm trying to. That bitch is hot. Yo, it's all... I knew I was going to do it. Slacks again. Slacks. You knew I was going to do it. Goddamn Slacks. Look at him. Look at him.
Come over.
They're professional wheeler. What? I gotta let her sit for a minute. You got it. Oh, what's your head? I'm fucking your head. Move out the way.
I got you.
Oh, you got me?
I got you, baby. You know what it means.
Yo, keep reeling.
He's got it. Nice and slow. Nice and slow. Nice and slow. Once you get it in, we gonna give it back.
Watch this white crab chart. It's coming on a grip line now. Look at this fuck over here, this guy. They see what's going on here. They're trying to get on our shit. Take your time, brother. We got this. Take your time. Don't cut no engine.
No, keep going. Shut up and reel, man. Bring the fish in. No way. No way, baby. This is all DLP. He got it. All me. I got it. He got it.
Another double header?
Come on,
get out of here. Another double header?
Waiting for you. Yeah, it's all me, baby. Yeah, bring it in. These two, man. Damn, I'm weighing it out. I want the whole thing.
Come on, man. You're up to the leader, guys. We got it. We're up to the leader.
I think I'm gonna get a million hits on this drunken fool.
I won the shit
Go,
again.
nice fish. Oh, nice fish here. Nice fish.
I'm backing up.
Nah, yeah, keep going. Keep reeling. Keep reeling.
Yeah.
Hold on, Cap. Keep reeling. Keep reeling. Keep reeling.
Oz. Oz, real.
He's got it. He got it. He got it. Give me the tip. Stop reeling. We got it.
Walk back, Oz. Walk back. Just walk back.
That's it. Walk back. All right, I'm walking back. It's like Jackson.
Nice fish.
Nice one, baby. Nice one. Nice one.
Nice fish.
Nice one. Let's go. Yeah.
Let's go, Cap.
Huh?
Back out.
Oh, this is a good day. We catch
I got you.
Is that a 3-1? That's nothing.
They got to throw it back.
What? It's tight. It's tight.
Yeah, it's too small.
Nice. You see his face, baby. You see his face? He's nice, baby.
Watch this white crab on our back, Cap. See him?
Yeah, I see him. He was talking shit to his mic. He got one on now.
I'm working here.
Who next?